Good afternoon, everyone. All right, so, okay, you are going to hear great ideas this afternoon. So if I would want to bring an idea, just an idea in your mind, remember the guy with the weird surname from Catalonia that created IntelVasc, that we want to remove surgeries from the emergency unit. We want the surgeries to be predictable and to be scheduled eligible. And conditions like peripheral arterial disease are chronic conditions. We know that the patients are sick, affecting over 120 million patients globally. And these patients, they have to be monitored. And the only way they can be monitored is at the hospital setting. But sometimes it's difficult for them to go. So oftentimes, 1 in 2 patients will require second surgery, resulting in amputation. So doctors require more tools. This is why we have created the Arterion system. This sensor is capable of monitoring the flow velocity for these chronic patients like peripheral arterial disease. And the patients only pressing one button will be able to upload the flow velocity data, which is the gold standard for that the doctors are used to monitor in the hospital setting. And how we are going to make money? Well, we sell the device to hospitals and clinics. The vascular surgeons will be the users, and we have codes that will cover the price of the sensor and also the remote physiological monitoring program that has CPT codes that reimburse up to $165 per patient per month. The market is enormous. There is no device that is capable of doing remote monitoring for this kind of patients. So we have $10 billion and 70,000 patients immediately available to insert the sensor and monitor the flow from today, amounting $800 million opportunity. We are very lucky with the current investors that we rose our pre-seed round of $1 million, among them Mayo surgeons, Stanford Medicine, Growactory Ventures, and a family office. And now we are in our way to get our device validated in the first in human. We already had preclinical testing, and we are going to have our pivotal trial in 2027, full commercialization the next year. This project wouldn't be possible without this amazing team of engineers, vascular surgeons, and experts in the medical device field, highlighting Professor Bith, which is the father of the modern vascular surgery, and other notorious names like James Spray, former president of Penumbra. So thank you so much for your attention, and please join us changing lives of million patients that they suffer chronic conditions, vascular conditions. Thank you for your attention.